Hello everyone. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July every year. Conservation of nature is of utmost importance to us all. Nature gives us vital resources like air, water, etc., without which we cannot survive. It is our duty to conserve the nature in order to create a healthy environment. It gives us a platform to contribute new ideas and approaches. Here is a small presentation by our students of the Secunderabad Public School on how to conserve our beautiful nature. Let's see.
Hello everyone, I am Adriana of class 10 and I am going to recite a poem that I wrote titled The View. My grandfather's view of a place was so good, a view from the top of the hill. He had a picture of the valley below, a view that fascinates a girl. And at last I decided to give it a go. So one day I did go up the hill. When I saw the view and the picture in hand, well, they didn't match anymore. All I could see there was the city and its lights, and the buildings as tall as the hill. The people down there were all moving so fast that I could not keep track anymore. All the trees in the picture were gone once for all. The one sparkling lake too was gone. Then I thought to myself about what we have done to the world around us.
I am Disha Modi from class 7th A. My friends and I are going to speak about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th of July every year, and it is celebrated to raise awareness among people to protect our nature and conserve our natural resources. Some major problems like deforestation and illegal wildlife trade in rice, it has been in list of priorities in many countries. So, the government has taken initiatives to reverse it. Some of the initiatives are Nagar Van Udyan scheme, Swachh Bharat scheme and Project Tiger. So, I like to tell you that protect our mother nature. Now my friend Shreyansh is going to speak about our national flower.
My name is Shreyansh. I am from class 7. I am here to share my views on our national flower, lotus. The lotus symbolizes purity, beauty, majesty, grace, knowledge and serenity. According to the scientists, a rare species of lotus is on the verge of disappearing from India. Protection of the existing plants is very important. The conservation of rare and endangered plants is a global problem and needs a global solution. Hence, on this special day, I request all of you to take an oath that we will conserve our resources. By consuming less, we can leave behind a healthy planet for future generation. Now, my friend Yashashvi will speak about our national animal. Thank you.
My name is Yashashvi of class 7A and I am going to speak about the Royal Bengal tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger is the pride and national animal of India. In 2010, tiger was declared as an endangered animal by the IUCN. As tiger is a very important member of the food chain, their conservation is very crucial. In 1973, Project Tiger was launched by the Indian government to protect the dwindling population of tigers. On this day, let us get inspired to make the world a better place with good environment-friendly habits in honor of the World Nature Conservation Day. Thank you. Now my friend Shriji will speak about the national river.
My name is Shriji Sharma. I am from class 7th. Here is the need to conserve our rivers. Also, our national river Ganga. Protection of river Ganga was the major task undertaken by the government of India in the year 2014 under the name of Namami Ganga program. Lastly, I would like to say that in this COVID-19 lockdown situation, when all the industries are closed, the pollution of river Ganga was 0% and the celestial water of river Ganga could be used as pure drinking water by general public. Now my friend Mayank is going to speak about national trees.
My name is Mayank. I am from class 7. The national tree of a country is one of the symbols of pride that is integral to the nation's identity. The national tree of India is the banyan tree. It is now as important to save the existing trees to propagate them. Hence, I conclude by saying that The global effort is needed to save many critically endangered plants and animals from their existence, as their survival is important for preserving the natural heritage for future generations. Thank you.
Pick up your waste and litter wherever you go. In sun or rain, in frost or snow. Let all the little plants and the animals have their say. Biodiversity, hooray, hooray. Our water is so precious, so cherish it, spread School Naglani's message. You can count on trees for the air you breathe, oh Mother Earth. You give us soil to plant our seeds to grow our crop. That's not where you stop, oceans and fields. You give us all we need and we love you. Ooh, ooh. Travel, travel, travel is so cool, especially when we go to school. Going up the hill is really good for you to walk. We meet our friends and start to talk. Our carbon footprints are shrinking when we reuse, recycle, and reduce. You can count on trees for the air you breathe, oh Mother Earth. You give us soil to plant our seeds to grow our crop. That's not where you stop, oceans and fields. You give us all we need and we love you. Ooh, ooh. School Naglani is keeping green, and so should you.
You cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Hello everyone, I'm Anusha Naya of the Secunderabad Public School. On the occasion of World Conservation Day, I would like to present a few points on how to conserve energy. Replace your light bulbs and use CFLs and LED bulbs. Use low-flow faucets and shower heads to reduce your water usage. Using solar energy saves a lot of electricity. Always turning off and unplugging electronics when they are not in use prevents phantom loads. Thank you.
Pick up your waste and litter wherever you go. In sun or rain, in frost or snow. Let all the little plants and the animals have their say. Biodiversity, hooray, hooray. Our water is so precious, so cherish it, spread School Naglani's message. You can count on trees for the air you breathe, oh Mother Earth. You give us soil to plant our seeds to grow our crop. That's nowhere you stop, oceans and fields. You give us all we need and we love you. Ooh, ooh. Travel, travel, travel is so cool, especially when we go to school. Going up the hill, it's really good to walk. We meet our friends and start to talk. Our carbon footprint shrinking when we reuse, reduce, and recycle. You can count on trees for the air you breathe, oh Mother Earth. You give us soil to plant our seeds to grow our crop. That's not where you stop, oceans and fields.
You give us all we need and we love you. Ooh, ooh. Our school is going green and so should you. Thank you.
World Conservation Day. It is necessary to create a healthy environment to safeguard present and future generations. Nature has several threats like deforestation, pollution, etc. Earth has provided basic necessity to live like water, air, soil, etc. As we know, due to natural imbalance, we are facing several problems. Therefore, for the future generations, it's necessary to preserve them. So, it is important to create awareness among people to understand the importance of saving resources and preserving them.
Hello everyone, this is Geetika from Secunderabad Public School. Today I am reciting a poem on World Conservation Day. Mother Earth had a magnificent look with trees, flowers, beasts and birds. Her kindness had no boundaries, but we kept exploiting her. She suffered and suffered. She knows we are destroying ourselves, warning us to wake up and change. Let's lend a helping hand to bring her magnificent look back. Plant more and more trees, walk along as long as you can. To make a better future for you and me, make every day as World Conservation Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Zayan Sheikh from the Secunderabad Public School. Today I'm going to be talking about the World Conservation Day. We are there because of this planet Earth. We need to be conscious about everything that's alive, whether it's a tree, a plant, a blade of grass, or even a grasshopper. What we exhale, trees inhale. What trees exhale, we inhale. Similarly, a constant transaction is going on in the level of water. So how we keep the atmosphere around us, the water bodies around us will determine the nature and quality of one's life. Thank you everyone.
Good day everyone. Our world only has so many resources. They are limited yet humans don't look after them. Soon there will be nothing left to use. Then what? We have to realize how important our resources are. We have to understand that taking care of our resources and our planet is our responsibility. Survival of humans is dependent on these resources, and these resources thrive in the absence of humans. Let there be color, let there be green. Let there be smiles that last much longer. Let there be praise for nature. Let there be love for the wild.
Good morning everyone. My name is Soham Karwadi. I am from class 4A of the Secunderabad Public School. Today I am going to recite a few lines about nature. Let trees stand tall, let there be view. Let there be flight, let there be wind under the wings. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shivani from class 5B. Today I am here to tell a phrase. Let there be forests for generations to come. Let existence be beautiful. Let's change a little, let's conserve a little. Thank you.
Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Hello everyone, hope you all are healthy and safe at home. As the world battles COVID-19 pandemic with other environmental disasters, it is now more than ever that everyone should join their hands and support environmental initiatives to conserve our nature. So today, I, J. Srividya Bharati of 10B, am going to share few conservative methods with you all. Firstly, when you are bathing, fill a bucket of water to water plants. Secondly, switch to online bill payments instead of printing them on a paper. Third, start a community garden. Fourth, take a chance to plant your own garden. As WHO suggested, I started doing that. Hope you'll all join me. And let's together give our coming generations a healthier and a happier life. Thank you.
मैं शशि कुमार पर्यावरण दिवस पर आपसे एक कविता के माध्यम से कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। अपने हित के खातिर देने मौत को बुलावा है, फिर गुस्से में यूं धधकती उगली धरती लावा है। अपने हित के खातिर देने मौत को बुलावा है, फिर गुस्से में यूं धधकती उगल धरती लावा है। रोक सको तो रोक लो, क्यों है पृथ्वी विनाश पर, अब नहीं पानी बरसाते बादल हैं अवकाश पर। पेड़ कटते हैं लेकिन भाई दोष नहीं है कुल्हाड़ी का, पेड़ कटते हैं भाई लेकिन दोष नहीं है कुल्हाड़ी का। हर जगह गड्ढे हैं, नाम निशान नहीं पहाड़ी का। जो पालती हमको हम फिर उसको ही क्यों नोच रहे, फाड़ के सीना उसका अस्थियों में क्या खोज रहे। आज खेत सुनसान पड़ा और दिखता नहीं अधेड़ है, कोई बता दो कहाँ खो गया इमली का पेड़ है, कोई बता दो कहाँ खो गया इमली का पेड़ है। पेड़ कटे जंगल बटे और बंदर छत की शान है, पेड़ कटे जंगल बटे और बंदर छत की शान है। जंगल का राजा सड़क पर और जंगल में इंसान है, जंगल का राजा सड़क पर और जंगल में इंसान है। इस धरती का हर एक प्राणी हर एक पौधा धरती का सम्मान है, इस धरती का हर एक प्राणी हर एक पौधा धरती का सम्मान है। तो चलो करें पहल, एक सुंदर पल की गली गली में पेड़ लगाकर हर प्राणी में आस जगा दे, आस जगा दे, आस जगा दे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
ప్రపంచ పర్యావరణ దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా ఒక చిన్న కవిత. ఎదురు చూస్తున్నావా భూమాత, వర్షపు చినుకులో తడవాలని, ఎందుకింత ఎదురు చూపు, ఎందుకా మౌనం వీడని నిర్వేదం, ఎండిన గొంతులతో ఎదురు చూస్తున్న వాగులు వంకలు, ఏ అలంకరణ లేని బోసిపోయిన అందెగత్తెల వాడిపోయిన ప్రకృతి. ఎవరు దీనికి కారణం, నీవా నేనా? అవును, నరుడే, ముమ్మాటికి నరుడే. ప్రకృతి ప్రసాదించిన పంచభూతాలను సంరక్షించలేని మానవుడు అవుతున్నాడు హీన మృగం. ఇది ఇలాగే సాగితే ఇస్తాము భవిష్యత్ తరానికి శూన్యహస్తాలు. ఇప్పుడైనా కదులుదాం, ప్రకృతిని చిగురింప చేసేలా చర్యలు చేపడతాం. ఆకాశాన హరివిల్లు విరిసిన నా కోసమే అనుకునే శిశువుల ప్రకృతి సంపదను అందరం కాపాడుకుందాం, అందరం కలిసి అనుభవిద్దాం. ప్రపంచ పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణ దినోత్సవంగా మీకు ఈ చిన్న కవితను వినిపిస్తుంది. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Our natural resources: air, soil, water, minerals, animals, forests. Let us all pledge to practice the conservational methods and protect our environment and make a huge difference with our small efforts. So come, let's pledge today to protect our tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.